Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're diving into the Microsoft Xbox Series X 1TB console. This powerful disk-based system delivers native 4K gaming, incredibly fast SSD loading, and extensive backward compatibility across generations. It's built for players seeking high frame rates and a robust gaming ecosystem. Check the link in the description for the best price. This console effortlessly handles demanding games and diverse media playback. This system's hardware is incredibly well suited for high-resolution gaming, effortlessly running demanding new releases with impressive visuals and stability. The custom SSD and quick resume feature work together to dramatically reduce your waiting and game switching times, keeping you immersed. Broad support for thousands of games across multiple Xbox generations significantly enhances the console's library value and accessibility. With its integrated UHD Blu-ray drive and robust streaming capabilities, it functions as a highly capable all-in-one entertainment system. The Xbox Series X truly excels in delivering powerful gaming performance, swift loading times, and a comprehensive media experience for users. We evaluate if the console's cost aligns with its premium offerings. This console delivers powerful and standardized 4K performance that rivals many gaming PCs, offering excellent value for its price. The combination of Game Pass and robust backward compatibility creates an incredibly vast and easily accessible game catalog. Modern game sizes quickly fill the internal SSD, and the necessary high-speed expansion cards represent a significant additional investment. For multi-platform titles, this console remains highly competitive with its direct rival, offering a comparable high-end gaming experience. While its raw performance and extensive game library offer strong overall value, potential buyers should factor in the ongoing cost of storage expansion. Understanding potential issues ensures a smoother ownership experience. As a mature platform, it benefits from extensive owner history and consistent system updates, contributing to overall reliability. It works seamlessly with modern displays, though achieving 4K 120Hz requires a television or monitor with HDMI 2.1 support. A significant limitation is that external USB drives cannot directly run most games optimized specifically for the Series X console. Microsoft provides consistent and active support, encompassing firmware updates, warranty services, and robust account assistance. While the console offers strong reliability and support, buyers should be aware of potential storage limitations and their impact on game management. Ultimately, the Xbox Series X is an excellent choice for players deeply invested in the Xbox ecosystem, especially those who value Game Pass, physical media, and a vast backward-compatible library. While the console is large and high-speed storage expansion is costly, its powerful 4K performance, rapid loading, and comprehensive support make it a strong buy for its target audience.